In this video, I'm going to show you how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram. You don't need any another apps to use, and once you are on Instagram, you can do the following. So here at the top I got some stories from people that I follow, and now I can open up some person. I can open up that person's Instagram page, and now I can check if that person follows me back or not. I can tap there on following right here and check the list of persons that this guy is following, and here on the first place I see my account of Instagram. It works exact in that way. If person follows you back, you got there your account at their first place in the list of accounts that this person is following. So if there are no your Instagram at the first place, it means exactly that this person not following you on Instagram. And in that way you can easily check who follows you on Instagram. Make sure you like this video and see you next time.